Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. कल US stock markets closed in the red and it was a sharp sell-off. कारण था कि the first case of this new COVID variant Omicron has been detected in America. This doesn't mean that this particular strain is more deadlier or more virulent, but as of now, markets will react if there are any news of this new strain in anywhere in the world. Since March 2020, this has been the trade कि जो भी country में COVID cases are rising, that country's currency and stock market has done poorly to compare to the countries where the COVID cases are falling and low and growth is doing well. तो इंडिया में India, China, a few countries in the emerging market space, there the cases are low and the growth is surging. इसके कारण these countries currencies have done exceedingly well against the dollar. But अगर हम लोग देखें European currencies या commodity linked currencies जो है, they have done pretty bad against the dollar because they are, एक तो यूरोप में the scenario of COVID is pretty bad. उसके साथ growth is hit. And the other factors which have also crippled growth and the fall in the commodity prices have taken a sheen out of the commodity currency. So dollar जो currency market है उसमें भी there is a split which we have been highlighting for some time now, that dollar against certain emerging market currencies like I talked about Indian rupee and the Chinese yuan and a couple of others are weak or flat. Dollar against the developed market currencies are strong. And your Fed hawkishness that is playing out through appreciation of dollar against the developed market currencies. But last kuch din mein euro and pound is able to, especially euro is not falling to a fresh low. It's still early days, but that's something we need to watch because US maybe economic data momentum has started to gradually turn. मतलब the data has started to coming slightly lower than expectation. जैसे कल भी ADP numbers जो private sector job survey था for the month of November, it was better than expectation. But जो ISM था, ISM was actually slightly weaker than expectation. But there is not a significant deterioration in the economic data from US, but that's something needs to be monitored because it has been seen historically जब भी dollar काफी strengthen होता है against other currencies, after 6-7 months the US economic data starts to do poorly. फिलहाल के लिए तो Fed's hawkishness is going to be a supportive thing for the dollar, but even the Fed's hawkishness is data dependent on the COVID situation, so many things. But as of now, Fed is not being a factor which can drive dollar against emerging market currencies. It is more Omicron and the trend in the equity market which is having short-term impacts. तो डॉलर रुपये के लिए for the past 18 months, dollar rupee stuck in this range of 72.30 to 75.60 on the spot. This is the longest consolidation phase since 2008. Now, ये range से निकलने के लिए, it needs some kind of a major trigger which is yet to come. Whether Omicron becomes that or not, we have to wait and see. शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए 75 और 75.50 का एक रेंज है ऑन द डिसम्बर फ्यूचर्स, क्योंकि जो कॉल एंड पुट ऑप्शंस हैव बीन रिटन द आउट ऑफ मनी, दैट इंडिकेट्स प्लस द चार्ट दैट 75 to 75 हाफ इज द रेंज. एंड क्योंकि 75 हाफ एंड उसके ऊपर फिलहाल जा नहीं पा रहा है, तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन either sell out of money calls like 75 or 76 strike calls expiring 29th of December, or if you want to take a more market neutral view, because agar ye niche bhi aaya aur to it will be difficult for it to appreciate too far because the global uncertainty is still there. So इसके लिए you can sell a 74.25 and 76 strangle expiring December end, which will be around 17 paisa, 17-18 paisa, which can be sold with an adequate stop because it gives you a large range to maneuver with. Now, on international currencies, Euro INR, GBP and JPY will offer you intraday trading opportunities. We will advise you to stay away from taking overnight trades because abhi the trends in the global markets are changing pretty fast. And overnights, आज हमारे गैप डाउन्स एंड गैप अप्स ऑन अ रैंडम बेसिस इज क्वाइट कॉमन नाउ एंड लार्ज वंस. तो इसके लिए इट इज बेटर टू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम टेकिंग लार्ज ओवरनाइट पोजिशन एंड स्टिक टू इंट्राडे ट्रेड्स इन दीज थ्री करेंसीज. Before I sign off, I would like to remind you that we have a very active Telegram channel and close to 3,000 subscribers, where we share updates, analysis, calls, everything which will help you to become a better trader in the currency market. So if you have not yet subscribed, kindly do so. So with this, I'm signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.